हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम करेंगे क्लास 9th मूवमेंट बुक का चैप्टर सेकंड द एडवेंचर ऑफ टोटो के क्वेश्चन आंसर। इससे पहले आप चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, हाउ डज टोटो केम टू ग्रैंडफादर्स प्राइवेट जू। तो इसका आंसर है, Toto was in the captivity of a Tonga owners. The grandfather gets sympathetic with the monkey and thinks that his private zoo would be a better place for Toto. So he purchased Toto from the Tonga Walla for 5 rupees. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। सेकंड क्वेश्चन है हमारा, Toto was a pretty monkey. In what sense is Toto pretty? इसका आंसर है, Toto was a pretty monkey. His bright eyes sprinkled with mischief beneath the deep-set eyebrows, and his teeth, which were purely white, were very often displayed in a smile that frightened the life out of elders Angol's Indian ladies, but his hands looked dirt up as though they had been pinkled in the sun for many years. Yet his fingers were quick and wicked, and his tail, while adding to his good looks, severed as a thread hand he could use it to hang from a branch, and it was capable of scooping off any delicacy that might be out of reach of his hands. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। थर्ड क्वेश्चन है हमारा, वाई डज ग्रैंड फादर टेक टोटो टू सहारनपुर एंड हाउ वाई डज द टिकट कलेक्टर्स इंसिस्ट ऑन कॉलिंग टोटो अ डॉग। तो इसका आंसर है, टोटो वॉज अ रियल menace from every living soul in the household. Other animals in grandfather's zoo were at Toto's mercy even during night, so grandfather decided to provide some relief to other animals in the zoo and thought of taking Toto to Saharanpur. The ticket collector was following his rule books, as there seems to be no rules for fixing a monkey's fire. So he equated Toto with dog. Ticket collectors' ingenuity tried to categorize all pets of a certain size as a dogs. तुम्हारा फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है, how does Toto take a bath? Where has he learned to do this? How does Toto almost boil himself in the water one by one and applies soaps as well? As monkeys are good at aping others, so Toto has learned proper steps of breathing while watching the narrator doing same. Toto is fond of bathing with warm water, so once having tested the warmth of water in the kettle, Toto sits in the kettle. Probably he is not intelligent enough to understand the risk boiling water, so he pops his head up and down in the kettle. तो हमारा फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन है, why does the author say Toto was not the sort of pet we could keep for long? तो इसका आंसर है, though Toto was a pretty and clever, he was very mischievous. He brought a lot of damage to the house by breaking dishes, tearing clothes and curtains. He also scared the visitors by tearing holes in the dresses. Furthermore, he didn't get along well with other animals in the house. 2 one day, Toto crossed the limits by picking up a dish of pulao and running on a bench to eat it. When scalded, he threw off the plate and broke it. That's when grandfather decided he had enough of Toto because he couldn't bear the losses that he encouraged because of Toto's masterpiece. तो गाइज ये रही हमारी क्लास 9th मोमेंट चैप्टर के द एडवेंचर ऑफ टोटो के क्वेश्चन आंसर. आई होप you like it. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.